So friends, at first what you have here is the file option. So in fact, if you click file option, then there another window will open. What are here? Save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, help, options, and exit. So there are so many recent options there are in my computer. There are so many Word document here. So if you click on save, the Word document will save. Here you can choose any options, yeah, documents or the local disk or this PC. You can save here any others, but by default the Word document will save in the documents library. Here you can change the name of your such as like, yeah, Microsoft Word 2010. I can save 2010. Okay, you can save, and here you can also change the docs files, document file, Word 97. There are so many, there are PDF files. Okay, you can save and save it. Click on save, though it will save. So cancel it at first. So next, if I go to file and save as means if you want to save any other format, such as this is a PDF format, it will save. HTML format, yeah, it will save. So cancel it. So save, basically save and save as are equally the same at all. Yeah, yeah. Open means if I want to open some Word document here, so many, yeah, okay, what I will open, yeah, HTTPS, open. It will open the HTTPS file. Close it at first. It will close, not close it. Yeah, so there you can see that open, it will open you some, and close means the page will clear. The ribbon is here, but the page and the rulers are cleared. So at first I will close it and reopen that file. Yeah, what document. So next what is info means there is something that is permission or sharing or versions. Yeah, properties, size, papers, pages 1, word 0, total time, editing time 0 minutes. It will see the some basic properties of information about document 1. This is information, which is info means information about document 1. And now recent means there are some recent documents which I've opened in my computer. And then new means, yeah, blank document, blog post, recent templates, sample templates, my templates, new from existing. There are so many things to open the different kinds of Word document. And here print is, if you have any printer, then it will print. See, I will write something that is, I will write my name, Bhargav. I read in class 8. Okay, so and if I go to print, then you can see that it is written something here, some is written here. Yeah, sorry. Yes, you can see here, I'm zooming. Yeah, Bhargav, I read in class 8. It will see, means if you write something on the paper, then it will see, it will print the whole document. And if you have print, then connect to the printer and print it. This will print your copy, this page. Now save and send means if you want to send with email, send to Wave, save to PowerPoint, publish to blog post, change file type, create PDF and XPX documents. There are so many sends option which you can send your document to any one person. And help means this is a Microsoft Office 2010. It is a help option, so you can get help from about the Microsoft Word 2010. And here are some options here in this display, profiting, save, language. There are so many. You don't need that. And now exit means don't save. Yeah, it will exit the Word document. So again I will open it. So now I hope that it is clear to you, the this burst options. Yeah, this option, the files option, I hope you have cleared. So meet you in the next video.